Most people get investing wrong by jumping in without proper practice, but Wall Street Survivor offers a safe way to learn before risking real money. Today, I'll share my honest review based on actual usage. Wall Street Survivor is a stock market simulator designed to teach investing fundamentals. The platform allows you to trade virtual stocks, ETFs, and options using real market data. The surprising truth? You can practice strategies that are almost identical to live trading, giving you confidence and understanding before committing your own money. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can track your portfolio, see stock charts, and analyze performance. Lessons and quizzes reinforce key concepts like diversification, risk management, and technical analysis. Most people get this wrong by skipping educational modules. They are really what make Wall Street Survivor valuable, not just the simulated trading. The platform offers competitions and challenges with other users. This gamification makes learning fun and helps you test strategies under pressure. I tried a few competitions, and it was a great way to see how decision-making affects outcomes in a realistic environment. Pricing is mostly free, but a premium plan unlocks advanced courses, detailed analytics, and additional practice funds. For beginners, the free version is more than enough to build foundational skills. In conclusion, Wall Street Survivor is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to learn investing safely. Most people get this wrong by thinking they can skip practice. They can't. Using simulators like this drastically improves your chances of success when real money is on the line. Subscribe for more honest financial tools reviews so you can learn smart strategies without losing a dime.